Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we saw a quick introduction about Python, where is Python used and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Continuing on with that, in this video, let's see how to download Python and how to install it and how to set environment variables. So you can download Python by visiting the official Python website, which is python.org/downloads. So once you go into this website, you can find the latest version of Python which is available. You can download the version which is suitable for your operating system. So here I'm using Windows operating system, so I can directly click on the latest Python version available here and download it. In case if you have some conditions, like if you want to download any previous Python versions also, you can find it over here. Okay, so you can, the archived previous Python versions is also available in this website. Okay, so you can and also you can download the relevant Python bit, which is 32-bit or 64-bit, by going into your by looking into your operating system. Okay, so if you need to download a 64-bit, you can download 64-bit. If you want to download 32-bit, you can download 32-bit. So once the download is done, next step is to install. So I've already downloaded and kept it here in under my downloads. So I'm just going to open it directly. So here in this installation window, if you see, there are two options. One is install now, another one is custom installation. So if I click on this install now, it will go and sit into this particular folder, like C users, Thiago, app data, local. So it will go and sit in this folder. And another step is we have custom. You can custom the installation process. Like we can provide the location where we want to store Python, and other features whatever we need or we do not need, we can custom install it. And one more option we have here is we have an options to add Python 3.9 to path. So once I click on this checkbox, it will add the Python into my environment variables path. So I will show this manual process later. And for now, I'm just following with the traditional install now process. So once I click on install now, it will show me a few regular. It is a traditional user friendly installation process. So I'm gonna skip this process to save some time. So installation is done. What it will go and for save in the C users Thiago Python. Sorry. So it is we need to find the app data. App data is an hidden folder, so you actually I recommend you to type it. So once you go to app data, local programs, Python 3.7. Yeah, so this is where my Python is installed. So once I find the path where Python is installed, next step is to set the environment variables. So I'm gonna look for environment variables. I can find this directly under path, under the system. Sorry, under control panel I can find this. So now I directly searched and open the system properties. Now I can click on the environment variables option here, and then if you keenly note, there's an option, there's something called path. So here I have added path to my Python. One is Python 37. I have just copied that path, and in addition to that, I've also added another path called scripts. So this, which is nothing but this particular path. So this is where generally all your Python executable file resides. So that's one of the reason I've added this script path as well. So if you can click on new icon, a new button, and just paste environment variables. So as simple, once you click on OK, it will be saved. So for since I have already added, I'm not adding it. I'm just planning to delete it. Just click on OK, and In addition to that, there is something under the system variables as well. So there's something called path under system variables. So I've added the same paths over here as well. So once this process is done, once the setup is done, you click on OK to get it saved. And sometimes it might not, if you need to find out if the Python version is installed successfully or not, you can go to command prompt. So once the environment variable is set, if you need to find out if you have set the environment variables correctly, you can go to the command prompt and just type Python. If any Python commands like Python hyphen version, so it will show you Python. It will show you the latest version. Now, if you see, I did not go to the path where Python is actually installed, right? So I did not navigate to path like this. I did not navigate to CD and to find the Python version. It will show. Um, I know I issued a Python hyphen version command by directly from my home folder. So it showed me the Python version. The reason is because I have set the environment variables properly. So if you need to install any Python related commands, even without visiting the path where your Python is installed, you can set the environment variables. So this is how you can set environment variables and confirm. One thing I want to remind you is, at times, even after setting environment variables, this Python command might not work properly because sometimes you have to restart your machine in order to take that into effect. So I would suggest you to restart your machine once and then try this Python command so that you can easily verify if the environment variable is set successfully or not. Okay, so that's all what I want to cover as part of this video. I hope you understood how to download, install Python, and finally set environment variables. In case if you have any queries, please post it into the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you.